Hey guys, working on a Chinese mini skid steer. The battery stopped charging. In this video, I'll show you what it happened to be in my case. Okay, let's pop the hood here. It ended up being a very easy fix. Okay, this goes up like that. This moves out of the way, right? So I hooked up a voltmeter to it, and as it was running, the battery kept getting lower and lower and lower until it would die. Then I would charge it with a charger and it was fine again until the battery would die. Basically, the engine wasn't charging the battery. So this is what it ended up being. See over here, there's these two fuses, right? Okay, so bear with me. I know it's a weird thing, but it ended up being these fuses. So these are replacement fuses that I put in here. See, these were closed. But this is what happened. So they had really cheap fuses in there. So I'll show you right now. This is only 3 months old, not even. And look, see, it's hard to see, but there's extreme corrosion. See all that? That's the fuse that was in there. See all that corrosion on there? There's a better shot of it. I've seen corrosion like this on 30 or 40-year-old cars. I've never seen it on something that's brand new. So what happens is, I'm guessing these are just super cheap fuses made out of some cheap metal. See, and it corroded and electricity stopped flowing through it. Even though you put a tester on it, it works. But the corrosion prevented it. And look what happened to the other fuse that was in there. So one of them was corroded. The other one was also corroded. And look, it even melted. And that can happen. When it has a bad connection, it gets hot and it can melt. And it didn't even blow. But it wasn't charging the battery because electricity wasn't flowing from one prong to the other because of the corrosion. So what I did is took both fuses out. I took a little pick, cleaned the connectors inside on both of them, and put two brand new fuses. Started it up, tested it with the voltmeter. Now it is charging again. So that was a very easy fix, guys. Subscribe, like. I got lots of videos on this. How to change the oil, how to tighten your tracks, how much to tighten your tracks. Till next time.